So I will teach you how to make your own transparent shirt on Roblox. First, go to the link in the description and click this download button. Then go into Pixlr and open the image you just downloaded. Select the color here and find the one you want. Then click this paint bucket and click on all the transparent parts. If you would like to add text, click on the plus button and the text button. Click on this wand, select the light blue and hit delete. Now go to Roblox, click on create, scroll down and hit shirts. Choose the file that you saved on Pixlr and rename to what you would like. And boom, we did it. If this was helpful, please subscribe and comment transparent shirt for a chance to get hearted.